I'm Dave Tarrant. I'm the trainer and data scientist here at the Open Data Institute. One data set will usually not be enough in order to develop new knowledge. It will be necessary to combine it and enrich it with further data in order to derive the insight. One of the biggest problems is the number of errors that exists in data. In an age full of computers, we still have extremely messy data, and it is critical to clean up these errors before you start to develop a story, for instance. Studies have found that up to 80% of the time can actually be used in preparing the data before you even get to telling a story and deriving this insight. Fortunately, there are a number of fantastic tools out there which can help ease this burden. So one of the first things to do with any dataset is to ensure it's clean. This may involve fixing spelling errors, removing misplaced data, or normalizing terminology. With the dataset clean, it may be then necessary to enrich the data, to add other datasets to it. And this could involve also normalizing code, so finding out what that number means, okay? Or to take a list of, say, company names and find out the company number, for instance, so that you can reference other sorts of data. And then once you have this clean and enriched data set, you can really start to derive the insight. So fortunately, there is a fantastic open source and free tool available to help you do this called OpenRefine. OpenRefine is a power tool for dealing with messy data. Not only does it allow you to clean up the data and to export it into a number of different formats, but it also enables you to enrich the data in a number of clicks so that you can add company data, location data, and other general knowledge data to your data set to really find the value and derive the insight.